Balawan College Umsning Pynhap Perdano ia ka Jingrakhe College Week ha ka Pratarik unai wing arhajar arpuar da uchip gas Shri Lakman Ramboy ubadai Minister Bapet ia ka Puli Puthi lasaki ia kani da ka Jingdon lang Guest of Honor Reverend Father Pius Shadam Shri Carlos Kharkongor Member Governing Body Sir Julius Kurba Vice Principal Sir Boniface, Principal, Higher Secondary Education. Kinuhikay bat kikna school jong kani ka college. Lakren pediang subhaya baro daw Principal, Dr. L. Carluni, balasami ki kusnam ng job bat yaka academic award daw chief guest. Guest of honor bat kiway. Lapan kod da kajing Pynhap lama da chief guest Shri Lakman Ramboy.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling right enough, things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, and though the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found a star, but I won't fly, and I sing along, then I sing along. I got one even I got you and I. Look around me, see we're alive. Stop in the dark through my blind eye. Get me to the side. Takes on my heart with a shine in my eye. Get alive in a sweet light. Stop in the dark through my blind eye. Get me to the side. You're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. Oh, I see the shadows long in the mountaintop. Not afraid when the rain won't stop. 'Cause you light the way, you light the way, you light the way. I got money when I got you tonight. Look around me, see we're alive. Stop in the dark, but you're my
Everybody was ignited with a fire in their heart, with a fire in their will and in their emotion. This shows that this whole week we are really lived in the theme which you have put for this year college week. Thank you, Father Carludi, the principal of Balawan College, Father Pius, the parish priest, the vice principal, teaching and teaching staff, student of the college, alumni, and my dear friend. It gives me an immense joy to be with you today. Life is full of opportunity. And from what we have enjoyed today for about 1 hour, we have seen that you have the talent, you have the skill, you have the willpower. I'm sure that, as I said in the beginning, The fire in your heart, the fire in your belief, which ignite today, will be born with a desire how to achieve your goal and how to be successful. It is very easy to have a dream. Oh, I want to be a professor, or I want to be something. Very easy to have a dream.
Please give a big round of applause.